Yes, we are exactly week 3 today. We are 3 weeks today. See us. We are 3 weeks today. If you can listen well, you see cough is really disturbing them. Cough is really dealing with them. If you listen, you will see all different types of noise at 3 weeks. So it's disturbing me really. It's disturbing me. I've spent so much on Tylodos at week 3 already. I've spent so much on Tylodos. I don't know what else to do. I don't know if maybe cough was injected in the air these days, because let me not say for other farms, but this is too much. At 3 weeks they are experiencing this, and it's not that I allow it to escalate before I start treating them. No, I started as early as 2 weeks to prevent this thing, yet they still caught the cough. I don't know what else to do, because I've really spent, and seeing them like this is sweetening me. I feel bad seeing them like this. I feel so bad to see them like this at just 3 weeks. So please, I don't know if maybe there is any other remedy, because today is already the 4th day of me giving them this Tylodos. Today is 4th day of constantly giving them this Tylodos, yet I'm not seeing much improvement, and I intend stopping tomorrow. Yes, I intend stopping tomorrow, because after tomorrow I don't think I'll give it to them again. I'll give them plain water, and I think I'll switch over to what they call it, all this ginger, garlic, and the co. So let me check that side to know whether maybe let me give them break for a day of clean water, and then switch back that side to know that side will be okay. Maybe I should be able to reduce the cough. Please, if you know